Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is October 26th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. VIX is still coming down, so we are down at 0.90, 3.16%, closed at 27.56. So we are continuing into our downward channel right here, continuing. And now we are coming to an important support at 27.72. Let's see if we are going to break it. We seem to have broken it a little bit here, but we have a longer wick at the bottom here. So we pushed it back up a little bit. Stochastic is quite low, so there's not much force holding up the VIX per se. Maybe we are going to continue like this. If we continue, then it's going to help the stock market. If not, then we should see a little bit of a pause in the stock market. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is continuing its move up. It moved by 2.35, but we are seeing a little bit of exhaustion here also. I see we have some resistance right here, and we are feeling it also here. It's not impossible that we have a little bit of a pullback at some point. S&P 500, the same thing, exhaustion right here. So maybe we are also going to have a pullback, but it's still considered, it's still considered a bull trend until we break this support. Until we break the support, it's still a bull trend. In terms of Nasdaq, the same thing here, the same story, pulling back a little bit. Even though VIX came down quite hard. So that's a little bit surprising to see. There is no reason to panic. Stochastic is still quite good. Stochastic is 77 right here. Dow Jones at 90. Stochastic at 90. S&P has a stochastic at 85. So still a very strong stochastic. So if we have a pullback, then it could be just a little bit of a pullback before continuing further on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.